What if I told you that everything you've been taught about money is wrong? Most people were never taught how money actually works. You were raised to believe that you go to school, you get a job, and you are set for life. Yet your wages can't keep up with the cost of living, and your degrees no longer guarantee success. You were raised to believe that you work hard, you get rich. Yet you see people grinding 60 hours a week and they are still struggling. So what exactly do the rich understand about money that you don't know? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the 10 powerful money truths that the wealthy understand and no one ever told you. So you got to stay with me and watch till the very end of this video, because what I'm about to share with you about these 10 secrets will change your financial future forever. Number one, money is the ultimate freedom. If you have to wake up to an alarm you hate, to get to a job you can't stand, and ask for permission for a vacation, then you are not free, my friend. Money is all about having the ability to make choices. You get to choose who you want to spend your time with, where you want to spend your time, and how you spend your time. That is what money is. That's the true freedom. So if you don't have that freedom, if you are not working towards that freedom, then my friend, you've got the whole concept of money all twisted. So you have to go back and check what you really understand when it comes to money, because money is freedom. Number two, money is a cheat code. So the wealthy understand that money is a cheat code that they can use to accelerate their wealth. And the cheat code, the secret that the wealthy understand, is leverage. So they leverage money to buy opportunities, to buy into businesses, to buy into wealth building assets. They use money to grow their wealth, and that secret is leverage. That's what the poor or the rest of the people do not understand. So if you don't understand this, money is leverage. Use less to do more. That's what it is. Money gives you opportunities to use resources that are scarce to maximize your wealth building. Number three, money is a seed, not just a number. Broke people see money as something to spend, but the wealthy see money as something to plant. Every dollar you plant today can grow into a tree, and that tree can provide you with the shed tomorrow. So they invest their money in real estate, stocks, and businesses that grow into wealth building machines and produce more income, more money for them for the future purposes. So money is an investment. It's a seed that you must sow to reap for tomorrow. Number four, money is a mirror. Your bank account is a reflection of the value you bring to the world. If you're feeling overlooked, underpaid, or struggling, you have to ask yourself, what value, skills, solutions, results am I bringing to the workplace? Am I bringing to the marketplace? And you have to go back and take a look at how you spend your time. Jim Rohn said, it's not about the time you put in, but the value you bring to the time. That's what matters. So start today, do a quick audit of how you spend your time and the value you bring to each time, each hour you spend in the workplace or the marketplace. Because guess what? Your bank account shows how much value you've provided. Number five, money is the fastest way to grow. If you want to level up your life, you have to invest money in yourself. You have to invest in knowledge and skills that will compound and pay you for the rest of your life. And this is what guarantees financial growth in your life. This is how you maximize your wealth. You have to pay for the books, the courses, the mentorships, the coaching sessions. These are the things that the wealthy understand, and they use these to implement maximum growth in their financial life. The fastest way for you to get to your wealthy future is to pay to learn what the wealthy already know. Number six, money is power, only if you use it right. The wealthy understand that they can use money to influence positive changes. They can use money to build movements that will influence governments and authorities. Hate it or love it, the truth is, money is power. Most times you see it within the society. The wealthy folks who have made it, they own the media, they own sources that can be used to not just influence people in leadership, but influence you. Number 7, money is a game, and you are either playing to win or lose. Think of money as a strategy game. The wealthy play to win, and the rest play to survive. What's the difference? The difference is the wealthy study the game, they understand the rules, they play smart, and they make intentional moves. If you don't understand the game of money, you're going to spend the rest of your life working for someone who understands the game, and chances are it's going to be someone who is wealthy. So what moves are you making right now? How quickly are you adapting to the game? And what effort are you making to learn and understand the game of money today? Number 8, money is everywhere if you know where to look. The rich people see money as abundant, and the poor thinks about scarcity when it comes to money. The rich says, how can I afford it? And the poor says, I cannot afford it. So you have to reframe your mindset when it comes to abundance of money and scarcity of money. So money is an infinite resource. It's all about knowing where to look. It's around you. Sometimes you just overlook it. You have to have the eyes to see the problems, the pains, the struggles that are going on around you. And you can figure out ways to monetize that and create value and solutions and results for people. That's how money comes to you. And that's what I mean by abundance. So never say money is scarce. Understand that the rich and the wealthy who have perfected the game of money understand that money is abundant and it's not a scarce resource. Number 9, money is 90% mindset and 10% strategy. What limiting belief about money is holding you back today? If you secretly believe that money is evil or money is hard to get, you will never get money. You know why? Because your subconscious will sabotage you. The wealthy see opportunities where people see obstacles. It's all about the mind. As you think, so you become. Your thought creates things. So you have to think the right thoughts, because your mindset is very essential when it comes to the wealth building game. The wealthy understand that they have the power in their mind to create wealth, and you have to think, believe it, and you grow rich. Number 10, money is a snowball. It gets bigger the faster you move. Think of money as something that has energy. It starts small, and as it rolls down the hill like a snowball, it gets much bigger, much larger. And all you need to do is get started. Most people never get started. But when you understand that money is all about momentum, you need to get started to feel it. You can't feel the momentum until you get started. The sooner you start making smart financial moves, the sooner you will hit unstoppable momentum with your money. Most people spend their whole lives trading time for money. They work harder hoping things will change. But the wealthy understand that money is a game, money is a tool, money is a multiplier, money is momentum. They have the right mindset. They see money differently. They reframe how they see money from the rest of the world. So what money mindset are you implementing today within your life? Let me know in the comment section below.